Hello, I'm Diff. Today, I'll show you how to create a background like this in Illustrator. Let's get started. First, set the colors as follows: no stroke, and double-click to select the color. If you want the same color as mine, you can enter this code. Click OK. Use the rectangle tool to draw a background that fills the artboard. Open the Layers panel and duplicate the layer by dragging it to the plus icon and releasing it, like this. Lock the first layer, then activate the top layer. Use the Line Segment tool. Double-click the stroke and pick any color you can see clearly. Draw a line that fits the edge of the artboard. If you don't see guides like I do, go to the View menu and enable Smart Guides. Press Ctrl+U to activate Smart Guides. You might want to increase the stroke weight to make it more visible, then copy it to the opposite side. Select both lines and press Ctrl+Alt+B. If it looks like this, don't worry. Double-click the Blend tool. Select Specified Steps and set it to 10. Go to Menu Object, Expand, then click OK. Use the black arrow to select everything. Go to the Pathfinder panel and select Divide. The background will now be divided into sections by the lines. Use the white arrow to click the outer area, then click the centerpiece. Click on a gradient color in the Swatches panel. Switch to Radial Gradient in the Gradient panel. Use the white arrow to select the side pieces. Click the gradient bar and adjust the values as you like. Repeat this process for each new section, selecting and adjusting the gradient bar to your preference. Once you've done this for all sections, use the black arrow to select everything. Go to the Transparency panel and change the mode to Color Dodge. Select everything and adjust the shapes as shown. Copy them and press Ctrl+D repeatedly to create continuous duplicates. Adjust some parts to overlap slightly. This will make the light appear brighter in certain areas. If you want to change the blue tone, modify the background color. I used a more vibrant blue, which changes the overall look. You may also select everything and increase the vertical height. If your work extends beyond the artboard, to do this, draw a rectangle the same size as the artboard. Select everything and press Ctrl+7. And that's it. I hope you can follow along. If you'd like the original file, I have a store on Gumroad. You can click the link in the video description. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss new videos. See you in the next one. Bye.